Hi guys, today we're going to make an amazing waterfall model using hot glue guns. This is a wooden base of our waterfall. I'm using dark spray paint to spray paint our base. Make sure to wear gloves and do not inhale the spray paint. Here are things which we need to make the forest and the waterfall. Here we have some thermocol, we have some cardboard, we have some artificial grass, we have some spray paint which is dark brown. We have an artificial plant, some artificial shells, another artificial plant, and some leaves. We have some Faber-Castell fabric colors. We have a hot glue gun. We have some stones. We have hot glue for a hot glue gun. We have some pearls, some toy animals, and some office pins. First, we have to paste the thermocol and the cardboard together. Now make a small rectangular cut so that the thermocol can stick onto the base properly. Now make some tiny holes on all sides of the thermocol. Then take the metal wires and puncture them into the tiny holes and tie them together so that it can stay properly. Next step is to use the clay on our thermocol base. Make small edges to look like a pond. Then paint with blue color so that it can look like water. Here we are using our hot glue gun to make some waterfalls. Here we are putting swirls of glue to look like the pond. Here we fixed our waterfall to our wooden base. Here we are making strips of rainfall out of hot glue gun, and you have to leave it for 5 minutes, then take it out using a sharp object and sticking it onto the wooden base. Now we are arranging it with our shrubs and our mountains. Arrange the grass and the animals in this way. Decorate the pond using stones, pearls, and flowers. We used a rock to make a mountain. Now we're going to color it to look like a mountain. Now we're going to add some proper light to the waterfall and the pond. We use a blue light for the pond and a white light at the back for the waterfall. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you.